Mm. So there is something A and B. Okay, A is a variable. You guys know A is a variable because okay, if I can do this also now. Wait, in this line it is a line one. Okay, it is line number two. Okay, if I add another line here, okay, and look, I just connected my laptop with charger and I forgot to turn on the switch. Lol. Okay, so now I just write a line A equal to 7. Okay, so in third line, okay. So can anyone guess? Let me show you on VS Code. Huh? Okay, so let me open the folder. I was working on some Java file. Actually, yeah, yesterday I just created my first Android app. It was pretty good. Huh? My first, I just tried for first time and it did well. So it is for like developers. Day three. Great. Okay. So let's input. Let's create a file. Input dot py. Okay. Sorry. File. Input dot py. Great. Suppose I take 4, okay, and b equal to 2, and then I take a equal to what 1, okay, and then I take one or more variable a plus b, okay. It's not about input. I'm just telling you like a variable, okay. Just give you a real-time example, okay. So can anyone guess what will be the output of C? Can anyone guess? What will be the output of C? Just write in chat. So, let's see. Hmm. 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 Let's run this out. Huh? Okay, let's run and see what's happening. Okay, so I forgot to print. Okay, wait. I'm just printing. See, my habit is to store the data in a variable. You can also write here like a plus b. Okay, you can do that also. Okay, so some people said, what was the answer? Okay, let's see what's the answer will be. Oh, it's 3. The answer is 3. Why it's 3? Just see. Okay, here, if I can write, okay, I can't do this. Can I do like, how can I do this? Fine, enter. Okay, here on first line, I'm declaring, assigning value of a is what? 4, correct? Too lazy. Let me just copy it. Okay. So here we are declaring what value of b is 2, correct? And here we are changing the value. Okay, we are overwriting the value. Okay, we have assigned something, right? A is already there, but then we write another value. Okay, so delete that 4. Okay, what's happening is delete that 4. Okay, and assign the value as 1. So now a is changed to 1. Okay, and now it's printing what? C equal to a plus b. A is 1, b is 2. Okay, let's do one thing. If I do this, control X and sorry, control V. Okay, so can anyone guess what will be the output now? C. What will be the output now? Let's scroll it up big. It's too much big. Visible now. Just see and tell me what will be the output now. 6 cut. So what's happening is here I have declared something. Okay. Okay. Let's do one thing. Okay. If I print A, what will be the value of A now? Here. What will be the value of A? 1. Yes, that's what I was just telling you. Okay, variable is what where I can do like change anywhere. Okay, but here A is when I'm just printing A, जब हमने इसकी वैल्यू चेंज कर दी तब हम इसको प्रिंट करें. ओके, इफ आई डू द सेम थिंग like before this A, okay, equal to 1, it will give the print statement as 4. Okay, variable is I guess clear to everyone. Okay, the variable we changed. Okay, yeah, great. So suppose I want to ask for a variable. Okay, it's a dumb program, right? I have something, I have something. Each time it will like, because I am just rewriting na 6. It is a dumb program. Okay, it's not doing much. I want something. Okay, suppose I want like I want something that it should give square. Okay, square. Square is what? Square means can I say like A into A is square of A, right? I can say that 5 into 5 equal to 25. It's the square, correct? How can I write a make program for square? Let's see. It's what I'm asking is now I will not follow this 5. I will ask user to give whatever you want. Okay, you can give 6, you can give 7, you can give 8, you can give 9, you can give like this number. Okay, big number. Okay, whatever you can put. I am not interfering you are just totally control. You can control this program. Okay, बिकॉज सपोज जस्ट इमेजिन अगर तुमने कुछ ऐसा प्रोग्राम लिखा जो तुमने पहले से सेट कर रखा है कि क्या आउटपुट आएगा, ठीक है, मतलब क्या इनपुट देना है, इनपुट कुछ है ही नहीं, वो ईच टाइम वही टाइप करेगा और वही मतलब सेम सेम आएगा, ठीक है. बट आपको क्या करना है, ऐसा बनाना है जिसमें यूजर अपना इनपुट दे, वो बोले कि यार हाँ मुझे ना इसका मल्टीप्लाई करके, राइट. जस्ट इमेजिन अगर ऐसा कोई प्रोग्राम हो जिसमें हर बार आपको सेम आउटपुट आ रहा हो, सो इट्स अ डम प्रोग्राम. ओके, लेट्स राइट इट आउट. हाउ टू मेक स्क्वायर. So suppose if no one know square, okay, they can use this program square. Okay, how can I do this? Suppose I'm asking A. Okay, now I can do this, right? And then I can print just a simple print A, sorry, A into A, A into A, correct. But this is what 4. Each time it will give 4. Okay, 16, 16, 16, 16. Each time I play. Okay, let's just see, run it. See, it's giving only 16. I want like something to input from myself, but it's giving 16. How can I do this? I will just do input. It's a command, input, bracket open, bracket close. That's it. Okay, let's see now what's happening. Okay, see, it stopped. It's asking me for input. Let's give something like 6. Oh, I forgot. What it's saying? Multiply sequence string. Okay. So what it is, why it's error. Okay, I'm just showing. So error is good. Yes, int. Correct. So I am asking input. Okay. It's a default thing. Okay. I am just telling you input. Okay. Yeah, correct. So great, Palak. Doing great. So I'm asking input. Okay. Each time I ask for input, it will auto consider. जैसे default value होता है ना, ये default value int को जो भी अगर हम कुछ भी input लेते हैं उसको क्या convert कर देगा, string. अब मैं जो हूं मैं 5 को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ 5 को, ये string है, ठीक है. ये एक स्ट्रिंग है, 5 स्ट्रिंग है, उसको क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा। आई कैन डू दिस, ओके। तो मेरे को क्या बनना पड़ेगा भाई, जो भी तुम इनपुट ले रहे हो ना वो इंट है, ओके। आई कैन डू दिस इन इनपुट, ओके। अब करो इसको मल्टीप्लाई, ठीक है। लेट्स सी, if I do this int bracket open, after then bracket close. Great. So it should work now. Asking for input. Let's give me 36. Okay. Let's try some big number. Suppose I 12. Suppose like I'm doing something very no mathematics and I do 99999. Oh, okay. So this is the see how much time it will take to calculate you and how much time it take. Just 2 lines of code. That's what programming power is. You just need 2 lines of code and it will make your life more easier, right? Just I did this 2 lines and it's make me like square, okay. And now you have to calculate like multiply by this long. So see how easy. Great. So input is clear, right? Everybody, input is clear. I can do this also a bit. I can ask for string also, okay. Suppose I am asking for string, okay. Sorry, why it's too big, man. Suppose I don't want हमेशा इनपुट इंट ही थोड़ी चाहिए मेरे को, इंटीजर नहीं चाहिए मेरे को just string, okay. I just want to store someone name, okay. String input, okay, bracket open, bracket close, done. Now I can write a good message to my user, okay. Suppose I write hey, okay, then what, comma, name. You guys know na why I'm using this comma and name, okay. Good evening. Oh, sorry. And then separate, okay. Correct. Let's see. It's asking me for inputs for 36. It's asking for name. Let's give Palak. Hey Palak, good evening. See how beautifully. Hey Palak, good evening. That's it. So you can like this, okay. And I can do this also. Hey Palak, good evening. And then I can do like your see your it's totally your creativity, okay. Like your square number, okay, is what can I do? I store in A, right? Sorry, I have to store this. For using this, I have to store this. Let's store with D, okay. D equal to A plus A. Now A, sorry, D. Okay, let's see how beautiful it was. It's asking for let's 7. Okay. Hey Palak, good evening. Your scare number is 49. Correct. See how beautiful it is, right? So you can use your like your creativity, okay, how you want to display this message to your customer, okay. So input is clear, I guess, huh? Just till now input is clear, variable is clear, okay. Okay, so now let's jump to operator. Operator, okay. You guys know, I guess, some like about operator, okay. Before going to head, because like you are guys also from BTech and BCA, BBA guys is not there, okay. So there are something called binary operator, okay. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, okay. So why it's binary? It required two two things. Okay, I can do this two things, like from this add this 2, okay, minus, okay, this 2, right, from this to this, okay, multiply this 2. So that's why it's called binary, or we can say that arithmetic operator. Okay, what it is, yeah. So divide is like this thing na, is two types. Okay, something is integer, it will give us integer value, sorry, it will give us a decimal value. Let's try and run this. Okay, decimal and integer. Okay, so my pen is not working properly. Okay, decimal and integer. Okay, let's see. So wait, I can do this, comment this all out. Okay, let me comment this, control slash, yeah, comment it. Okay, so suppose I want to print 4 divided by 2. Okay, okay, 4 divided by 3. Okay, that's it. Will that work? I have doubt. Yeah, so it give me 1.33. Okay, what it is giving us, okay, in this also, in this decimal, okay, it's giving the dot after, okay, whatever, okay, it's giving in decimal, whatever we call this floating, correct? We call this floating also in our language, floating and integer. Okay, we don't call this decimal. Okay, we used to speak floating number. Okay, so now if I do print, just see same thing. Okay, 4 double slash 3. Okay, it will give only what, integer part, not this decimal. Okay, only integer. Okay, let's see. See, suppose if you want to collect only integer, you can this like double slash, otherwise single slash for decimal. Okay, and so I jump to one more thing, which is called modulus. 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 Okay, modulus is what, it will give remainder. Okay, suppose 4 divided by 2, so it will be 0. Okay, remainder will be 0, correct? And if I do 4 divided by 3, the remainder will what? Let's see, 4 divided by 3, okay, 1, okay, and then remainder will be what? 1. So remainder is 1. It will give remainder. Okay, whatever left, it give the remainder. Okay, let's, what we use, 4 divided by 3, the remainder is should be 1. Okay, let's do, just copy it. Okay, till now you are just knowing about arithmetic operator. If I do percentage, okay, this is percentage sign, which we called modulus. Okay, remember this term, modulus. Okay, it's, see, it's giving me 1. Okay, so let me give some example. If I give you what, 5 modulus 2, just try this and write in chat, huh? What will be the modulus. Okay, modulus. Spelling mistakes. Never see spelling mistakes. Okay. Let's see. Let me finish my biscuits here. I'm poor in maths. Huh? Just please help me out. Huh? Seriously, my math is so poor. I, failed few times in maths in my 5th class. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Well, this is what modulus. Correct. You guys know what modulus is? What uh, like decimal division is? Okay. I guess that much is clear. There is something is percentage. Okay. Let me show you. Square. Okay. How can I make squares? Suppose if I do 5, what it will be 5. It is similar to this. Okay. It is similar to this. If I do this 5, 3, which means 5. Sorry, I will say repeating. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. It will like it is what power and it is number. Okay. Let's see. Too lazy. Okay. 5 percentage. First, let simple, yeah, easy example. 5% percentage to 25. I don't want square. I want cube. Sorry. So what can I do is percentage 3, 125. You can do this in input. Okay. You know, guys, how to take input for 5, right? You know how to take for input for 3. Just take input and just, if they want cube, you can multiply by 3. They want like a number. So you can write a program like this also. Okay. I'm just giving an idea. The work will be your. I can do this like also na 4. Okay. See. Okay. You can try this type of programs. Okay. It will be very interesting and you will you will feel like powerful. Okay. Yeah, I can get this. Okay. So yes. Yeah, today end of the lecture please remind me. I will show you my Natasha. Okay, I just created a voice assistant for me. Okay, by using just Python. Okay, it's just a big line of course. Okay, I will show you what like Python can do. Okay. So okay, operator is clear. Okay, so this is what called binary operators, and there is something called Boolean or comparison operator. Okay. Boolean or comparison operator. Okay. Operator. So there was a scientist named Boole. Oh, okay. Like everyone was contributing in like that time, like when mathematicians were contributing so much. That scientist said that there is something is should be 0 and 1. Okay. 0 is for what? No. And yes for 1 for yes. Okay. I can like in our programming language. Okay. We don't say no or yes. We say true or false. True or false. True or false. Okay. Either it's a true or it's a false. Okay. Let's see. So for this, we need what? We need a condition, right? If I write a condition, okay, and Then I want to check, suppose I do a equal to, okay, I forgot to tell you one more condition. Let me here, okay. There is something called equal to, okay, operator. Equals operator word for telling that it is equals to, okay, we are not assigning, we are saying that equals to, we are checking, okay, if it is equal to 5, okay. So I will assign a equal to 5, then I will assign b equal to what, 5, okay. Then I will do equals to b. Is this equals to b? Okay, so just write in chat, okay, in like one, okay, 1 or 0, okay. If it is true, that means, oh, sinking, okay, true, that means 1, false means 0. Just write in chat, is a equals to b, 1 or 0? Okay, so correct. We know this much, okay. Let's do, okay, boolean is what, comparison, equals to, okay. It can do like this. Let me scroll it down. I can do this also. A is greater than b. I can check this also, correct, right? So there are some conditions I'm just writing down, okay. This what I can use for greater, for less, and for greater than or equal to, okay. Sorry, my bad. Let's write this on VS Code, okay. Whatever I'm just telling you, I will write on VS Code in comments, okay. So Boolean operator, I guess the spelling is correct, okay, okay. So Boolean operators, what it is, equals to, okay. What that means, it's like it's compare, okay. Compare equals equality. If it is equal, give true, give 1. If it is not equal, give 0, okay. Then there is something operator like this. What does this means? We are checking greater, okay. If it is greater or not, okay. And then we are seeking greater or equal, greater than or equal to something. We will do an example on this also. So, and then we can also check for less than, correct. And then there is something called less than or equal to, okay. Let's comment this all and let's run this on every example. We will run something, okay. Control slash, okay. Great. And now I will do print. First I will take some number, a equal to 2, b equal to 3, okay. Print a equals to b, okay. Let's do the same for everything. So I will just do copy without wasting some times, because times is like money. And yeah, it's almost 4 minutes left to end this meeting, so I will try to cover this operator, okay. Then we will, there are like logical operators we will see in like next lecture after 4 minutes. Then B. Okay. Okay. Less than equals to. Okay. Let's print. Okay. Like, okay, can like anyone write the output in chat? Let's see, yeah, if you can guess the outputs in chat. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. So is this true? No, it's false. Can I do this now? It's false. Why I can't like this? Because okay, fine. Let it be. Can I write this like this? No, it will comment all line. Fine. So this is what here A is not equal to B, correct? Because 2 and 3 is not equal. Is A is bigger than B? No, A is smaller than B. 2 is smaller than 3, correct? Is 2 is equal to or like no, it's obviously not. So, okay, so if I do 3? Okay, if I do 3, let's see. So first it will check 3 is, yeah, it is equal, true. Then it will check it is greater than, no, it's not greater than. Okay, then it will check is equal to or greater than, yes, it is equal to or greater than. Okay. Then less than, is A is less than B? No, but is this less than or equal to? Yes, it is equals to, so we can do this, correct? This much is clear to everyone. The meeting is going to end. Just let me know if anyone have any doubt till topic. We have covered 2 operators. Okay, then I will like tell more few more operators. Okay, so so much clear. Okay, binary operators. Okay, so we have covered Boolean operators and binary. Okay, and the meeting is going to end. So, and I'm just creating another link. Okay, please join with that link, and then we will see what logical operators is and or not the things. Okay, how we can implement in this code. Okay, like how can I implement this in my code like without any theoretical knowledge. Okay, fine. So I'm ending this meeting and I'm creating another link. Okay.